Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Personalize. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so simply tap on it to open this wallpaper section. And under it we've got, under the preview, we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, My Photos, which is basically your own gallery. You can choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. Image Studio, and here you can simply create the wallpaper, the stickers, also images with Moto AI, so you can just get started. Obviously you need to be logged in into your Moto account, so just do it. I'm not logged in, but you can, as you can see, create an image, style sync, etc. Here you've got the dynamic wallpapers that are animated, so the animation will probably appear after unlocking the device. They are installed, but you still need the internet connection to just download them by tapping on this download icon. I will come back to it later on because I will set one of the wallpapers. And curated images, which will lead us to another section for wallpaper and style, which is kind of confusing in my personal opinion, but let's scroll down a little bit and tap on more wallpapers, and thanks to it we will be transferred to those wallpapers that are static, that are installed on the device, so you can basically choose something from those options. I'm not sure, but I think that you need to have the internet connection to be actually able to set the wallpaper. Alright, so let me maybe choose this one because it's, oh my god. Let me go to the landscapes. Let me show you how to set regular, so the static one, and how to set the live wallpaper. So I'll pick this one. As you can see, it will appear as a preview of the lock screen and the home screen. We are able to check how it will look like. However, I don't know why we do not really have the preview with the icons, so we cannot really check it. As you can see, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the position of it. So thanks to it, you can frame it just like you want to. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on Set Wallpaper here. You can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I'll choose both options. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. And now I just wanted to show you how to set the dynamic wallpaper. As you can see, I've got one already downloaded. If you wish, just tap on this download icon and let your device download it. It might take a while, so be patient. So if you wish to set the wallpaper, just tap on it. Here we've got the preview. However, let me tap on Set Wallpaper. So as you can see, it looks a little bit different, but the outcome is kind of same. You cannot, for some reason, set it only as a lock screen, only home screen, or both home screen and lock screen. So I'll pick home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.